Hello students, we have already discussed the chapter number 4th of class 9th Beehive Books, A Truly Beautiful Mind. This chapter is about a very famous scientist, Albert Einstein. He was the synonym of the word genius, as we all know, and very young age of 26. He published 4 papers about light, the motion of particles, the electrodynamics of moving body and energy. And he was well known for his scientific discovery, the theory of relativity. In this chapter, we discussed about the life of Albert Einstein, that how he became a very renowned scientist from a below average student. In the eyes of his teacher, he was not very good student, but he was very much interested in mechanical things. That's why he pursued his career in this field. As we have discussed about his life and all the summary of the chapter, let's move to the question answer of this chapter. Now here is the first question. Here are some headings for paragraph in text. Write the numbers of the paragraphs for each title against the heading. The first one is done for you. The first heading is done. Now there are some headings, some titles are given which belongs to the paragraphs in the chapter. Likewise, there are 17 paragraphs, you can see here 17 paragraphs in this chapter. And as you can see, Einstein's equation, in which paragraph we can find the equation of Einstein, that is paragraph number 9. As you can see, this is paragraph number 9, and this carries the equation of Albert Einstein. In similar way, you have to find the paragraph which belongs to these headings. Likewise, in second one, Einstein meets his future wife. Now you have to find out in which paragraph we find this topic, that Einstein meet his future wife. This is paragraph number 7. Now third one, the making of a violinist. He will become a very good violinist, as we all know, at the age of 6, in which paragraph we came to know about this. Now further points you have to do on your own, you can find by yourself. Now fourth one, Malvia and Einstein's mother. In this title you have to find that in which paragraph there is a discussion about relationship between Malvia and Einstein's mother, a letter that launched the armed race. Now in which paragraph there is a discussion about the concern of Einstein about the atom bomb, and about the armed races means the people who are busy in making various arms, various destroyers they are making. Now he wrote someone a letter. You have to find out in which paragraph this is discussed. A desk drawer full of ideas. Now Albert Einstein worked as a technical expert in the patent office at Bern, right? In which paragraph he discussed about the desk drawer full of ideas. You have to find out. Now you get the idea from my line that in which paragraph this topic is discussed. Now last one, marriage and divorce. Again you have to find out the paragraph, in which paragraph the marriage and divorce of Albert Einstein is discussed. As these are very simple question, you can find it by yourself. Now second question, who has these opinion about Einstein? Now these are the 3 points given, 3 ideas are given, and who thought this, who have this opinion about Einstein? He was boring. Who said that Albert Einstein was boring? The other children. When he was very young, he used to play with the mechanical toys. As other students were not willing to play with him, they said he was very boring. He was stupid and would never succeed in life. Now who have this opinion? who had this opinion about Albert Einstein? His teacher, his headmaster. He once said to his father that he will never succeed in any field in his life. As you can see that these were the opinion of his headmaster and his teacher. He was a freak. He was a freak means that he was a unsettled child, and this was the opinion of his mother. His mother had this opinion about Albert Einstein that he was not a normal child, he was a stupid. Now question number 3. Explain what the reason for the following are. Now here you have to find that what are the reason of the below written lines. The first one is Einstein leaving the school in Munich for good. That what is the reason why he left the school in the Munich? Einstein did not like extremely strict discipline of the school. He often clashed with his teacher, so he left the school for good. Right? That he does not like the discipline of that school, that's why he left the school. Now second one, Einstein wanting to study in Switzerland rather than in Munich. Why he want to study in Switzerland? Do you know? He find the environment of Switzerland is better than have more freedom than his own school. He find that Switzerland, the place Zurich is more free than the place in the Germany. That place is more liberal. That's why he went to Switzerland. Now third one, Einstein seeing in Malvia and LA. Now LA is the person who was belonging to him. Likewise, you can say companion. That why he find a companion in the form of Malvia. Now we can find it that like Einstein, Malvia was against the Philistine thought. She was also intelligent. That's why Einstein find LA in Malvia. Now the fourth one is, what do these tell you about Einstein? In the last one, we have an idea that Einstein was a very humanitarian scientist. He does not believe in destruction. He loved freedom of the thoughts and expression. Now the fourth question, what did Einstein call his desk drawer at the patent office? Why? He worked in the patent office as a technical expert, as we know that. He called his drawer the Bureau of Theoretical Physics. Now why he called this a Bureau of Technical Physics? Because there he was secretly working on his theory of relativity. He keeps all this paper in his drawer, in his desk drawer. That's why he called it a Bureau of Theoretical Physics. Now the next question, why did Einstein write a letter to Franklin Roosevelt? Now we can find that we know that he wrote a letter to the President of America at that time. He wrote the letter just because he came to know that Nazis in Germany had made the discovery of nuclear fusion. They found the way to make the nuclear bomb, atom bomb, and that was very deadly to the world. They could make bomb easily. Einstein wrote to Franklin to warn him how destructive an atom bomb could be. How did Einstein react to the bombing of Hiroshima and Nagasaki? As he tells Franklin Roosevelt about the danger of the atom bomb, but he didn't know that USA was also working on making atom bomb. When the incident of Hiroshima and Nagasaki occurs, at that time Einstein became very shocked with the destruction made by the atom bomb. He wrote a long letter to the United Nations. He suggested that they should make a world government, but he was unheard. He started the campaigning of peace and democracy at that time. The next one, why does the world remember Einstein as a world citizen? Why we can say that he was recognized, remembered as the world citizen? Although he was a very good scientist, but he was a humanitarian as well. Einstein was a great supporter of peace and democracy. He wanted to use his scientific theory, science to be for the good. He wanted to use the science for the good. He was in the favor of world government. He wanted all the world to function as a one unit. That is why he was the world remember as the world citizen. Now in the eighth question, here are some facts from the Einstein's life. Arrange them in chronological order. There are some points given here. Now you have to arrange these points in the chronological order, means in date wise series. That the incident which happened first we have to arrange on the top, and the incident which happened at the last, the time, the date is the last one, we have to arrange at the last. Now there are few points. Einstein published his special theory of relativity. He is awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics. Einstein writes a letter to US President Franklin D. Roosevelt and warns against Germany's building an atomic bomb. Einstein attends a high school in Munich. Einstein's family moved to Milan. Einstein is born in German city of Ulm. Einstein joins a university in Zurich where he met Malevich. Einstein dies. He proved a new interpretation of gravity. Tried of the school's regimentation, Einstein withdrew from school. He works in the patent office as a technical expert. When Hitler comes to power, Einstein leaves Germany for the United States. Now you have to arrange these incidents in the date wise order, that the incident which happened first you have to arrange accordingly. Now you can do it yourself, that the incident likewise. First of all, Einstein was born in German city of Ulm. Now this point will come on the top. Then Einstein attend a high school in Munich. Likewise in this series you have to arrange all these points. Now you can do it yourself. If you face any kind of problem, you can ask me. Thank you and keep learning.